We've got a great opportunity for you shops that you're not going to want to miss. Our newest program is called Wrapped with Words. It's 12 different pillows that you can do, one for every month. Very appropriate for all of the word nerds.
Yes, word nerd.
It's a fun thing to say,
Yeah.
isn't it, Kate?
Mhm.
So anyway, let's just kind of show you the different ones,
Yeah.
and we'll show you the kits, the different ways that you can get these. Yeah, you're gonna wanna do this.
So we have a pattern, we have kits as you're kind of looking through all these pictures. So you can kind of see which ones you like. And so the first one is going to be home. That's going to be January with the cute little house. Love has a little heart. Lucky, the shamrock. Happy with the cute little bunny with some glasses. Bloom with some flowers. Be kind with the cute little bumblebee. Sparkle with some stars and sparkles.
Sunshine with just sunshine. There's Gather with apples. Spooky, of course, with pumpkins. Thankful with sunflowers. And Be Merry with snowflakes. The cool thing about these is that not only do you get the appliques for the wrap, but you also get the appliques for the pillow. And we'll show you just a little bit about
this
how
one is the Bloom pillow, so you can see it. It has a fun little tie closure on the back. Little twill tape.
Should we take that off, Kate, so that they can see the pillow and how we put the front together?
Yeah.
The thing that we wanted to do was make this as easy as we could, as far as the pillow insert gets put onto here, and then the applique sets right onto that seam. And so you just iron that right onto the seam. And so it makes for placement very, very easy. And then the wrap goes over the top of it.
Mm-hmm.
So in your kits, Kate, let's get that out and just show them what they get in one of those kits. Basically, they need a sewing machine and time. That's about it. And your customers are going to love this. You get the pattern.
Yep. With the full applique layout.
Everything is in there. You get the fabric for the pillow cover, as well as then the fabric for the wrap. The twill tape to tie the wrap onto the pillow. You get the single-sided Wholesale foam, which is a wonderful product. It's all fusible, so you can just fuse your fabric right onto there. And then this little piece, it's actually a perforated stabilizer. This is a great product, so you're going to want that as well to stabilize your applique, and then the applique. And you get not only the applique for the wrap, but the appliques
trim.
Yep, for the trim.
Yeah. So I think it's great. We're excited for you to have them in your shop. A great fun block of the month. If you need any posters, promotional materials, we can have that for you. So everything is on our website, thewholecountrycaboodle.com.
How about a trunk show, Kate?
Yeah, trunk shows, clubs.
Yep. And if we do a trunk show for you, probably what we'll do is send you maybe 4 to 6 of these. It's a lot to send all 12, and we have a lot of these trunk shows already booked. And so we'll work with you on that, and then you can do your sign-ups. Like Kate said, we've got some promotional materials.
Yep. Could do like a poster, postcard, kind of whatever you would need for your shop. Yep. So then they can see all 12 of them.
Yeah. Give us a call. We'd love to set up a monthly club for you.